Welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Barun, and in today's video, we will take a look into how to make changes to your users using our API. So let's take a look into our user list. For the purpose of the demo, I will make changes to the user Barun here, who is added as a team manager and has no teams assigned. So to make changes via API, let's head over to the account integration. And from the APIs and webhook section, we can copy the API key. Once done, let's head over to our API page, that is developers.oncehub.com. Select the option, update a user. And here, once you paste the API key in the header, you are ready to use our API function. So to make changes, the first thing that we need is the user ID. The user ID can be gathered from the option that is list all users. And so let's head over to that page. And in the list all users page, same, paste the API key in the header, click on try it, and we have the user ID for a relevant user. Copy the user ID and let's head over to the page that is our update a user. Enter the or paste the user ID here. Now, we do have the option where we can change the name. We can update the last name. Then we do have the option to change the role here. By default on the page, it is selected as a member, but currently the role is team manager. So let's change it to an administrator. And we can also go ahead and assign a team from this section itself. So let's head over to our other API call, that is list all teams. Here I have already pre-pulled all the team IDs. So let's say I copy the code or the team ID for the team customer support and head over to the update a user page, paste the team ID here. So we can verify all the details. So the user that we are going to update is Barun. There is no last name added there. So let's say I can, for the video tutorial purpose, I'll go ahead and say TITEO. And let's say the role has been changed from team manager to an administrator. I have also decided to go ahead and add or assign a team to this user. And once all the details are verified, I can go ahead and click on try it. So we can see the name, the last name, the email address remains the same, which can be changed. Then we have our team assigned as well, and the role has been updated to administrator. Let's head over to the account and confirm those details. So here, head over to users, and Barun, who did not have a last name added, has a last name now. Then we have the role from team manager to administrator, and also has been assigned a team that is customer support. So basically, that's how we can update details on your user via our API. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.